Meet the Cougar-Tron Inox Fury, the strongest electrolytic weld cleaner on the market. The only machine capable of cleaning all types of stainless steel welds. In this video, we will provide a full demonstration of effective weld cleaning and marking with Inox Fury. Let's start with the machine setup. First, attach the clamp to the workpiece. Then, plug the other end of the cable into the left-hand connector on the machine. Now connect the orange handle cable. Prepare 3 Inox Fury brushes from the pack of 10 supplied in the set, and screw them one by one into the triple brush adapter. Next, connect the Inox Fury brush wand to the handle. Twist the shroud to secure the brushes. And prepare CGT 550, our weld cleaning and polishing fluid. We recommend using our practical acid container for easy brush dipping. Turn your machine on using the button on the back and choose the appropriate work mode on the control panel. The mode number 1 is reserved for lighter TIG welds. You begin the cleaning process by dipping the brush into the weld cleaning fluid. Then, drag the brush tip slowly along the weld bead and repeat this a few times until satisfied with the result. You should always treat the surface with our CGT N1 neutralizing fluid after cleaning. Wipe the excess fluid off using a clean cloth and you're done. The weld is clean and passivated. The Mode 2 is recommended for cleaning darker TIG and lighter MIG welds. Now, let's see what Inox Fury can do with this heavily oxidized pipe. In just a few simple brush strokes, corrosion is gone for good and the surface can be neutralized. If you missed a spot, go over it with the brush again and make sure that your brush tip always contains enough fluid. The end result is incredible, and the passive layer is fully restored. Inox Fury can also effectively polish stainless steel welds and surfaces. We do this by activating the polishing mode on the control panel. Smaller TIG welds like this one here can be directly polished without being cleaned first. However, larger and more oxidized welds have to be thoroughly cleaned first and then polished. Now, let's see the visual difference between weld cleaning and polishing results. We activated the cleaning mode again to clean the surface and compare the two finishing methods. Weld cleaning removes impurities from the surface, while polishing gives it a shiny and attractive appearance. When cleaning hard-to-reach areas, tight corners, or around tubes and pipes, we advise using a single brush. For this application, we are using Cougar-Tron Super Brush instead of the Fury brush. This brush is optimal when working with a lower power output. Simply replace the Inox Fury triple brush assembly with a single brush setup. Revert back to Mode 1 when cleaning smaller TIG welds. The power output has to be lowered down to a maximum 80 amps when using a single brush to prevent overheating. As you can see, the Inox FURY is incredibly effective with removing oxide, heat tints, and discoloration. For maximum performance on MIG welds, activate the Cleaning Mode 3. FURY's specialty is dark and heavily corroded welds. For this application, you can use up to 200 amps of shear power, which makes Inox FURY the most powerful weld cleaner on the market. Using a large diameter triple brush adapter in combination with 3 brushes provides maximum cleaning effect on larger and dirtier welds. The best application of Inox FURY is cleaning of larger stainless steel constructions and tanks, as you can see from these real-life examples. You can also use Inox FURY to mark different types of metal surfaces by utilizing our basic etching set, which contains all essentials for successful marking and etching, including our S1 stainless steel marking fluid. The process is very quick and simple. Attach the clamp to the workpiece. Disconnect the brush from the handle and replace it with the marking head. Place your stencil on the surface. Then soak the marking head with marking fluid and slowly drag it over the stencil. The resulting mark will be crisp, clear, and permanent. Custom-produced stencils can be used up to 2,000 times. Inox FURY is an effective, all-in-one solution for weld cleaning, marking, and electropolishing. Contact us today for a free live demonstration at sales@cougartron.com.